Hi.
Adeniums sure are a beautiful plant, especially when they're blooming like this one is over here. Absolutely gorgeous. We don't get to see too many of them in the United States, but this is a gorgeous specimen. Beautiful vortex, cortex, whatever they're calling that part. It's been in this pot for a couple of years. We did one cutting, which is this guy. It's doing okay, it's holding itself together. I'm hoping something's gonna come out of the bottom because the way this piece was cut off. The way it was cut off, it had some action to it that maybe is gonna bring it up from the bottom as well. In any event, of course, the first rule about this exotic plant, this very rare and beautiful plant, do not put it in plastic. Gotta be in the terracotta. Of course, now we see this one is outgrowing the terracotta, all kinds of roots coming out over the top. So it's time. We're gonna give it the repotting. If you look behind me, you'll see the new pot. It's over here, ready to go. This is what they're calling a Pennington 17-inch. This, I believe, was the Pennington 12-inch. Both were purchased at Home Depot. That one currently is $19.99 with $4 for the plastic base. Maybe I made a mistake, but I had to save a few bucks on the base. We're gonna make the opening move here. I'm gonna ask my cameraman, Jose, to step back a few feet. Take you out of the danger zone. Here's the piece. Here's the piece. There she goes.
Wow, wow.
Here's the bottom.
Wow, it definitely needed a bigger
Nobody
pot.
said this is going to be easy.
Wow. How many years was that in?
I don't like the way this is going so far.
No.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Chico. How'd you do it?
Look at that. Definitely needs more soil. Wow.
Okay. You want to show them the bottom of this? You can.
Wow, look at that. When was the last time you potted this?
A couple of years. It's going to take off very nicely in the new one. It's going to take off very nicely with the new one we're going into, okay, guys? You see, I'm going to just shake loose some of this root ball stuff because I need the rocks. I did go down to the beach looking for some rocks. We weren't too fruitful in that effort. We'll take some of these original rocks, putting them in here. Okay. I could wash them, but because we're videoing, I'm keeping it a little more real. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Chicky.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah, we're making a little bit of a design out of it. There you go.
The dirt feels so soft, like dirt.
Yeah, honey.
Is it plant food?
No, these are rocks.
You know
Soil.
this.
This is called soil.
The soil.
That's only going to be soil.
Guess what?
Okay.
My grandma has tomatoes.
Too much talking on the video, kid.
Sorry.
Okay. This one's very special for people that want to know about how to repot. Repot their adenium. I'm here, babe. I'm up here. How do you repot your adenium? You watch this video. We're going to see this thing happen in a few easy steps. Thank you for joining us, by the way. Okay, here's a few more rocks. We got a good base of rocks going,
Wow, a lot of rocks.
so that in the event it's overwatered at any time, it could drain out a little bit. Okay? There we go.
Wow, look at
This
this.
thing's got some beautiful roots going.
Wow.
It really does. Here we go. Next step, I'm going to ask you to come up here, Joe. We're going to throw some beautiful, healthy, fresh soil.
Wow.
Beautiful, healthy, fresh soil. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. And crumble it as it goes in.
Maybe 2
And crumble it.
more. 6 more.
We're going to crumble it as it goes in. Okay.
It's a nice size pot.
I'm starting to feel it. How you doing?
Need that wagon today.
It's coming up.
Need like a wagon.
I didn't hear you. It's coming up.
There it goes.
I like the placement. I like it a lot. I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. Now we're going to go for the fill. Now we're going to go for the fill. What are we talking here? Phil Cohen or? This is not going to be easy. We're going with quite a bit of dirt here, all good fresh soil. How are we looking?
Very good.
Yeah. Good, guys. You know what we're going to need next, right?
What?
We're going to need that whole blue bucket filled with water and some fertilizer.
You're very good.
Thanks, son.
Good job.
Thanks, sweetie.
It's like a prize out of the plant.
Yeah.
I'm my mom's daughter.
Okay. So far,
So good. Wow.
we could have retained a little more of the old soil.
Yeah.
We chose not to because I'm questioning the condition of it as compared to this new bits. Okay. Pack it in a little bit. There we go. We're going to give it some water. I think some of it's going to get eaten away and condense on the first watering. So I'm going high, otherwise I could leave it low. Now the truth is, we covered the cortex. We covered it. It's gone. It's gone.
Wow.
Does that mean I don't know what I'm doing? Probably. Probably. But I think it's going to eat its way back out. You got me here? Here's the piece. She's all set up to go.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm here.
Bye.
It's all set up. So we're going to hit it with the water
8 minutes.
and we're going to see what looks good. Thank you for joining me. I feel like you're not pointing the camera at me, by the way. Thank you for that. Am I in there?
Mm-hmm.
What are you, up to here? I don't want to look bald. I got a beautiful head of hair going. Thank
Good.
you. Why does it look